So in the Philippines, while I was doing media, I also did a bit of coding. And so I understood like that has been part of our curriculum actually since I was in elementary, where we had to learn how to code a little bit. And so when I graduated from my bachelor's degree, and I took literature as my master's, actually, weirdly enough, the first few jobs, like the first few roles where I volunteered in, looked for people who knew how to code and manage websites, CSM websites. And so those were my first few roles. And so that naturally progressed to marketing roles. So after teaching roles in China, I decided, all right, it's time to grow up and do something real. And I started volunteering at charities, typhoon relief operations as either a website manager or a social media manager. I even managed an e-commerce website for Oxfam, a couple of stores in Oxfam up north. That eventually led to roles, marketing roles actually. But within those marketing roles, I was managing CSM, customer content management systems, and CRM systems that naturally progressed to me owning products. So I progressed into kind of like product roles within fintech. And the first few projects that I had was training a chatbot that would help customer service. And that was a big project. Like we were already using NLP, and this must have been 2018. And then with that as well, some of my projects were like handling a lot of data and customizing journeys with data. And so I started understanding, all right, there's a lot of things you can do with the data that you have in order to provide customers with customized journeys, with journeys that would actually help them. And so I then had projects around affordability models, like delivering affordability models, credit models. So yeah, it was managing a lot of data, working with big teams to provide customers with the best experience possible. And yeah, that was like my
Mm.
product journey.